Today I'll be giving a presentation on the human nutrition and digestive system. The digestive system is a group of organs that aid in food digestion and nutrient absorption. The mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and the anus are all included in the GI tract. The digestive system consists of your pancreas, liver, gallbladder, and bile ducts. The human body needs nutrients from the food eaten and the liquids consumed to keep healthy and function correctly. Digestion is crucial. Carbohydrates, proteins, fat, and vitamins, minerals, and water are all examples of nutrients. These nutrients in food and drink you ingest are broken down and absorbed for the digestive system for use in vital processes including cell growth, repair, and energy production. The digestive tract includes the following: mouth. The teeth break down the food into small pieces when you eat. Mastication is the process of coating food with saliva to make it easier to chew and swallow. This is produced by glands in the cheek and end of the tongue. Enzymes that begin to break down the carbs in food are also present in saliva. When you eat, food begins to flow through the GI tract. Your tongue forces the food into the throat as you swallow. Phthalates and esophagus. Your throat or phthalates is a muscle tube in the middle of your neck that aids in breathing and routes food and liquids to the esophagus. The muscular tube, known as the esophagus, connects to the phthalates to the stomach. Food enters and exits the esophagus under the control of the upper and lower esophageal sphincters. Liver and gallbladder. Both the liver and the gallbladder accessory organs where food does not pass as part of the digestive process. The liver performs a variety of tasks for the body, including aiding in digestion, storing glucose for energy, aiding blood clots, and eliminating or processing alcohol, toxins, and medications from the body. Bile is substance produced by the liver that helps in fat digestion. It is also held in the gallbladder before entering the small intestine. Between meals, the gallbladder stores bile when you eat, and gallbladder releases bile into your stomach intestine through the bile ducts. Stomach. Muscle contractions cause churning and mixing motions, continuing the mechanical digestion process. In the stomach, chemical digestion also takes place. Gastric juices and various digestive enzymes are combined with the food in aid to break down carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Additionally, hyaluronic acid is generated, creating an acid environment that aids the function of enzymes and also kills undesirable microorganisms. Small intestine. Minerals and nutrients absorbed in small intestine's primary function. The breakdown of fats, carbohydrates, and proteins take place here, along with 90% of digestion and absorption. The small intestine wall contracts in unison to move food through it in a process known as pyrolysis. These contractions move food from one segment to the next in a wave-like pattern. The bolus of food is forced down the digestive tract by contractions. Large intestine, the rectum, and anus. Water, minerals, salts, and vitamins all absorbed through the large intestine's lining. Undigested fibres is combined with mucus and bacteria that then partially breaks down the fibre to feed the large intestinal wall cells, impeding the health of the large intestine. The rectum is where feces are generated and stored before leaving the body through the anus. There are two types of digestion: mechanical and chemical. This is when the body breaks down large food molecules into more manageable sized units, which helps through a combination of both mechanical and chemical digestion. Mechanical is the process of chewing or mastication in the mouth, churning and mixing the food in the stomach. It is necessary to break down large food bits that are swallowed in to make them into smaller pieces. Where chemical digestion breaks down the large molecules of fats, proteins, and carbs into smaller molecules that can be absorbed and used by the cell. Water and digestive enzymes used in process known as hydrolysis during chemical digestion to break down complex compounds. The hydrolysis process, which is typically quite slow, is sped up by digestive enzymes. Proteins called enzymes aid in the speeding up the body's chemical reaction and metabolism. Some substances, enzymes contract while others broken down. Digestive is one of the most significant functions of enzymes. Enzymes are large protein molecules, each with their own unique three-dimensional shape. A section of the form is known as active site, is embedded there, and it can attract substrate, which is the right shape to bond with. Following the completion of the chemical reaction, the products are released, allowing the enzyme to attract another substrate molecule to start the process all over again. For enzymes to perform at optimal, they need to be within specific temperatures, pH ranges, suboptimal conditions. Enzymes can alter shape if the conditions are not correct and will start fitting with substrates and stop functioning correctly. Enzymes function at optimal body temperature, 37 Celsius. Enzymes reaction increases with temperature. However, enzymes become inactive when the temperature rises too high. Enzymes are alkaline and acidic sensitive. When placed in too basic or acidic environment, they fail to function properly, and the pH needs to be around 7 for the enzymes to function well. Here are two enzymes. Amylase is necessary for breakdown of carbohydrates. Starches are converted into sugars from this, and they can be easily absorbed. Sugars are then used to fuel the body. Both the pancreas and the salivary glands secrete amylase. The optimal pH range is 6.7 to 7. Pepsin. Gastric juices contain a powerful enzyme called pepsin, which aids in the digestion of proteins found in meat, eggs, seeds and dairy products. The optimal pH range is between 1.5 and 2.5, which is the acidic of a normal stomach juices. Pepsin loses its effectiveness when the gastric acidity is neutral at 7. Pepsin only partially breaks down proteins in the digestive into smaller units called peptides, while some are easily broken down by pancreas enzymes or absorbed from the gut into the bloodstream. In addition, ensuring our bodies receive all the nutrients they receive to function properly on a daily basis, eating a healthy, balanced diet can help lower our long-term risk of obesity and conditions such as heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes and some cancers. Governments all across the globe offer recommendations how balanced diets, meals and beverages should be a part of our balanced diet. The message is the same regardless of how the guidance is presented. Eating a balanced diet of a diverse range of foods from major food groups is key to a healthy diet. The Eat Well Guide is the name of the healthy eating approach in the UK, released by NHS England. There are 5 groups showing that we can eat to achieve a balanced diet. Fruit and veg. This should consist of 5 servings of varieties of fruit and veg, more than 1/3 of our total food consumed each day. Fruit and vegetables are a good source of fibre, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Approximately 1/3 of your diet should consist of carbohydrates. A healthier choice is whole grain or whole meals such as brown rice, wheat pasta and whole meal or high fibre white bread. Compared with white versions, they typically have a higher level of vitamins, minerals and fibre. In our diet, starchy foods are a primary source of many different nutrients and a good source of energy. They contain fibre, calcium, iron, B vitamins in addition to carbohydrates. Protein, found in meat, fish and eggs. These foods are excellent to provide protein that the body needs to develop and repair itself. Iron, zinc and B vitamins are among the vitamins and minerals in meat that are beneficial to human health. Additionally, as a major source of vitamin B12. Fats. The body can better absorb vitamin A, D and E when fat is resistant because vitamins are fat soluble. Fats are the only substance that can assist the absorption. A healthy balanced meal must include a quantity of fats, essential fatty acids, which the body is unable to produce on its own, are found in fats, spread oils, and many other foods containing fat. Dairy product, both dairy full and non, can be a provider of calcium, vitamin D, B vitamins, and proteins. Fermented dairy proteins such as yogurt, some cheeses have less lactose and gut flora that may improve digestion health. Water is not classified as a food group. While water is not classified as a food group, the Eat Well Guide suggests the individual should try and consume 6 to 8 glasses of liquid per day. Sugar-free beverages include tea and coffee, water, and reduced milk all qualify.